MI-15001, MI-15010, MI-15011. Large height adjustable corner sit-stand desk. Assembly. Using a flat and open section of the floor, position the left leg and the left corner crossbar as shown, and then secure using the provided bolts with the 5mm hex wrench. Attach the side plate to the left leg, ensuring that the side plate is orientated properly. Then attach one of the feet to this leg. Position the middle leg and the middle crossbars in the proper configuration and then connect them together. Position the right leg and the right crossbars as shown here, and then connect the leg to the crossbar using the provided bolts. Attach the side plate to the right leg, ensuring that the side plate is orientated as shown. Then attach one of the feet to the leg. Turn the desk over so that it is standing on its feet. Attach the rubber pads to the top of the leg sections and frame joint in all 23 locations. Step 2. Lay the desktop pieces out upside down in the configuration that works for your space. There are 2 different configurations to choose from. Use the tabletop connectors in the locations shown and secure in place. Step 3. Turn the leg frames over and carefully place it upside down on the desktop. Place the leg sections on the desktop, then connect the leg sections together using the frame joints and bolts. Align the holes on the frame with the holes on the desktop, then attach the desk frame to the desktop using the provided screws. Step 4. Before attaching the transmission rod, measure the heights of the left and middle desk leg to see if they are set at the same level. If not, insert the transmission rod into the hole in the left leg and turn the rod to adjust the left leg so it's level with the middle leg. Turn the rod counterclockwise to lower the left leg and clockwise to raise it. The legs should now be level. Ensure the transmission rod is properly inserted into the hole in the left leg. Extend the rod to connect the other end to the motor drive shaft on the middle desk leg. Secure the transmission rod to the motor drive shaft by turning the set screw clockwise. Turn the coupling nut clockwise to lock the length of the transmission bar. Step 5. Fold the cable holder and cloth drawer brackets into the shape shown in the image. Fold with care. Do not fold and unfold. If needed, use the edge of a table or another solid edge to assist with folding them. Step 6. Attach the cable holder, headphone hooks, and cloth drawer brackets to the desktop. Then, attach the control panel to the desktop. Step 7. Connect the power lines as shown in the image. Attach the cable clips to the underside of the desktop as needed. Open the cable clips as shown, then insert the cord and close the clip again. Step 8. Flip the desk over and insert the cloth drawer to the brackets. Step 9. Connect the power adapter to the wall outlet. Press and hold the down button for 5 seconds and the screen will show RES. Continue holding until the desk goes down to its lowest level and then comes back up slightly. Short press the S button and the display will flash. Press the 1, 2, or 3 button to save the current height setting to that button. Press the 1, 2, or 3 button and the desk will move to the height that was previously set for that button. Change display height units. Press and hold the S button until a flashing S is displayed. Press S again and UN is displayed. Press S to select it. Press the up or down arrows to switch between IN, imperial measurements, and SI, metric measurements. And press S to save your choice. Change collision detection sensitivity. Press and hold the S button until a flashing S is displayed. Press S again and N is displayed. Press the up or down arrows to switch to C, F, and press S to select it. Press the up or down arrows to switch between off, low, normal, and high sensitivity. Press S to save your choice.